everybody. I am on Castor River today, and I'm hiking down to an area about a mile or so downstream from what the locals call low water. I floated this river about 8 weeks ago, and there was a lady that came in behind me and my brother that was floating with me. She said that she flipped her kayak and lost her prescription sunglasses. I was planning on doing this little trip sooner than this, but I never got around to it. I've been busy with a lot of other stuff. So I've got a little ways to go. I've been throwing trash out on the bank. I've got a bag with me to pick it up. If I throw it out on the bank, pick it up on the way back, than it is to pick it up on the way down, then have to carry it all the way back.
Oh, look at that. Oh. That's neat. Close coverage. Yes.
I'm hearing a bunch of thunder, and I've started hearing it since I got to this hole. There's a storm moving in, probably pretty quick, and I'm a mile downstream of the truck. I got to get back. Wow, it's dark back in that direction. That is upstream, that's where I'm headed. Got a ways to go. As promised, picking up the trash I threw out of the creek. So I spotted this road across the gravel bar. It goes through the woods, and with the lightning and stuff, there's less of a chance of getting struck by lightning in the woods than there is out in the open or in the water. I'm hoping it goes my way. Oh. Getting dark. I've got a few pieces I threw out on the other side of the river. I'll be honest with you, I'm a little scared to go get them today with this rain. If it quits before I make it to the truck, it blows over, I'll go back and get them. But I think for my safety, I ought to take care of just getting out of here. This looks like it goes back toward the river. We'll take a look and see. Ooh, muddy. I bet this is slick right now. Earlier. There's a pile out here on this little gravel bar. The truck is parked just on that side of the bridge. Stay right here for a while. That was right across the river. I don't have any signal here. if I had my phone in my hand, I don't have any signal to see where the storm is, how much of it passes, if there's worse yet to come. There's standing water in the corn already. Wow. Yes, county road. And the no trespassing sign, which I'm on the wrong side of. I normally don't do that, but it was a matter of safety today. That would mean the truck and the bridge are right up here. I'm home and the sky is cleared, but you talk about exciting. I got myself stranded downstream from the truck and a severe thunderstorm and what turned out later to be a flash flood warning. Didn't know that. Of course, I didn't have a radio or anything with me. But on my way home, I got a notification that that area was under a flash flood warning. So the storms can be dangerous if you get yourself caught in them. I made it out safely. I'm thankful for that. Buckets that was dry this morning. I can show you how much water we collected in the bucket. I got right at 3 inches of water in this bucket. Make pretty good rain gauges. They're pretty well, just almost parallel from the bottom to the top. However much rain you get in there is pretty accurate. And here's what I cleaned up out of the water and off the banks there at the water. Start with a cap. That's a Carhartt. I don't think it's worth cleaning up myself. Sole off of a shoe. Could be a tennis shoe, could be a diving shoe or swimming shoe. Got some plastic, glass bottles, more plastic, burnt trash. I think this is off of a dish of some kind. Don't know for sure what it is. I'm not keeping it. It'll be on its way to the landfill. This is probably out of an old electric water heater, I'm guessing. It don't look anything like the way they make them today, but it's what it looks like. Of course, I got some fishing tackle. Lots and lots and lots of aluminum cans, other aluminum. One unopened sun-kissed orange. It is nasty. Hawaiian Punch, unopened. I don't really care for the Hawaiian Punch stuff, but I do like the sun-kissed orange. And this is my find of the day. I'll find the name on the reel, but the reel is camouflage. I'm not familiar with ever having seen a camouflage reel before. It is a telescoping rod, and I would say if I take this apart and clean it out, it'll probably be good, but it's kind of locked up right now. It's probably got some sand or grit in it. If I forced it to turn right now, I'd probably tear it up. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And if the owner of this reel and rod would come forward and tell me about where he lost it, I would be happy to get it back to him. It has been in the water for a while. It is nasty, but it's sealed up. It's pressurized. And likes by January 1st of 2021, I will drink this soda. I will wash it, open it, and drink it on video and post the video on my channel.